Hello everyone, welcome back to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing a super useful technique, how to copy files from one folder to another based on a list in Excel. Ever had a situation where you need to cherry-pick specific files from a huge directory and move them somewhere else? This method is your answer. In this video, we'll walk you through step-by-step how to create a simple yet powerful process using Excel and a little bit of command line magic to automate this task. No more tedious manual searching and copying. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to Rome Tips for more time-saving tips and tricks. It really helps the channel grow. Okay, so let's get started. First, let's talk about what you'll need. You'll need 1. The Excel file containing the list of file names you want to copy. Make sure these file names are exactly as they appear in your source folder. 2. The source folder, which is the folder where all the files are currently located. 3. The destination folder, where you want to copy the selected files. Now, here's how we're going to do it. Step 1. Prepare your Excel sheet. Open your Excel file. Ensure you have a column containing the exact names of the files you want to copy. Let's say this column is column A. Step 2. Create the command. In an empty column, let's say column B, we'll construct a command that will copy each file. In cell B1, enter this formula. Equals copy and A1 and destination folder path. Replace destination folder path with the actual path to your destination folder. For example, if your destination folder is C:\users\yourname\documents\destination, the formula would be equals copy and A1 and C:\users\yourname\documents\destination. The triple quotes are important. The first set of quotes wraps the copy command. The second set ensures that file names containing spaces are handled correctly. The final set makes sure your destination folder is recognized. Step 3. Apply the formula. Drag the formula down column B to apply it to all file names in column A. Now, column B contains a list of commands, one for each file you want to copy. Step 4. Execute the commands. Select all the commands you just created in column B. Copy them, Ctrl+C or CMD+C. Open Notepad, or any plain text editor. Paste the copied commands into Notepad. Save the file with a .bat extension. For example, copy_files.bat. Make sure to save the file as all files type, not text documents. Step 5. Run the batch file. Navigate to the location where you saved the .bat file. Double-click it to run it. A command prompt window will pop up, and you'll see each file being copied from the source folder to the destination folder. Step 6. Verify the copy. Go to your destination folder and verify that all the files you selected have been successfully copied. And that's it. You've successfully copied files from one folder to another based on a list in Excel. This method can save you tons of time and effort, especially when dealing with a large number of files. Remember to double-check your file names and folder paths to avoid any errors. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tips for more time-saving and productivity-boosting tips. Also, let us know in the comments below what other topics you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.